My name is Louise, and I'm here to give you an overview of the EvenSkyn Mirage, a professional-grade light therapy face mask that helps rejuvenate and renew facial skin. It has 3 light color modalities that help with particular skin concerns, such as wrinkles, acne, and overall health of the skin. The Mirage face mask is a standalone phototherapy system based on an industry-leading 204 high-powered light emitting diodes, LEDs. These LEDs produce varying wavelengths of light that penetrate to different depths of the skin. Red light penetrates the deepest, right into the dermis layer of the skin, and helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines by stimulating collagen and elastin production. Blue light vertically penetrates the least of the 3 colors of the Mirage and is ideal for a host of benefits ranging from boosting alertness to cognitive function and helping to reduce breakouts. It helps with the latter since blue light has been shown to be very effective at destroying the outer walls of the cells of acne-causing bacteria. Yellow light helps catalyze multiple skin healing and maintenance processes, such as helping with wound healing, collagen induction, skin hydration, and overall health of the skin. I'll now demonstrate how you can effectively get to using this wonderful LED face mask. First and foremost, you're going to want to charge the battery contained in the remote using the USB cable provided. You then attach the adjustable support straps of the mask and ensure a snug fit around your head by testing it out. Once the battery in the remote is fully charged, you can use the same USB cable to connect it to the bottom of the face mask, and it ought to stay connected for the full duration of the usage of the mask. Once you're ready to get going, you simply hold down the power button to turn on the Mirage LED face mask. Ensure your face is clean and free of any products. A hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum may be applied prior to usage. However, to ensure maximum absorption, having the skin completely free of products is recommended. Few important things to note. Initially finding the mask a little heavy is normal, given it's a professional grade build quality and power. It is normal to take some time to get used to wearing it over and around your head. The extremely powerful LEDs of Mirage by design are meant to be a slight distance from the face, so do not worry if a certain part of the mask appears a little further from the face, as some space between the mask and skin allows for full coverage and even light diffusion. And finally, perhaps most importantly, remember to adjust the mask straps on the top as well as the sides. The strap should be adjusted to evenly spread the tension so you can wear the mask without feeling too uneasy. Spending some time to adjust it around your face will help you wear for sufficiently long enough to start seeing results after just a few uses. As soon as the power button is pressed, the Mirage starts to function and the automatic 25-minute cycle gets initiated. For the next 25 minutes, the mask will automatically switch from red light for 9 minutes, blue light for 7 minutes, and yellow light for 8 minutes. The Mirage mask has red, blue, and yellow LEDs, which are ideal for anti-aging, acne reduction, and skin vitality, respectively. The red light operates at 660 nanometers, blue light at 415 nanometers, and yellow light at 583 nanometers. You can use the device in the automatic mode or by making individual color and respective duration selections. In the automatic setting, you should be able to control the light intensity by pressing the plus and the minus buttons below the auto button of the remote control to vary the strength of output of the LEDs. To achieve and focus on particular skin objectives, you may manually select the color and duration. To do this, simply press the color button on the remote to select the right color after you turn the Mirage mask on. Then vary the duration by using the plus or the minus buttons below. For each color manually selected, maximum durations are presets that have been chosen as a safe threshold that should not be exceeded in a 24-hour period. You may use up to the allowable maximum once per color per day. The mask may be used daily until the desired goal is achieved, be it if the reduction of wrinkles in the red light mode or killing acne-causing bacteria using blue light therapy. If wrinkles are a concern, consider using the Mirage mask predominantly in the red light mode by manually selecting the higher intensity of the red color and ideally using it via the manual color mode for the maximum 17 minutes allowable duration per day. Your frequency of use can decrease over time as results are realized. For best results, use a peptide serum after red light therapy, vitamin C serum after yellow light therapy, or a soothing serum after blue light therapy. You may apply other skin products as well that help with skin healing and collagen synthesis, such as retinol, after using the mask in either the manual or auto mode. Finally, for dedicated anti-aging and skin renewal rejuvenation use, the Mirage mask complements and can be concurrently used with other non-invasive anti-aging systems and devices. For example, the radio frequency-based EvenSkyn Lumo or the eye area anti-aging device, the EvenSkyn Venus. Thank you and keep glowing.